Hey everyone, I'm Raj, and I'm studying for the AWS Machine Learning Specialty Certification, and I want to share my learnings along the way. Let's talk about S3. S3, or Simple Storage Service, is a service by AWS which allows you to store objects in buckets. You can think of objects as files, and you can think of buckets as folders. These objects can be videos, images, CSVs, literally anything you want. And the great thing is that the maximum object size is 5 terabytes. Now, S3 guarantees 11 nines of durability, which is actually insane. And what that really means is that if you have a million objects in a single S3 bucket, over 10,000 years, you can expect to only lose a single object. So that's insane durability for all your data needs. Now, S3 has something called access tiers, and these are like versions of S3 which you can choose between based on the performance, data access, resiliency, and cost requirements of your workloads. Let's go through each of these access tiers and learn a bit more about them. S3 Standard is for frequently accessed data, and it's the default storage class. It's great for low latency, high throughput use cases, such as big data analytics, mobile and gaming apps, and CDNs. S3 Standard Infrequent Access is a little bit cheaper than S3 Standard, and with 3 nines of availability, it's great for backing up your data. S3 One Zone Infrequent Access provides 11 nines of durability in a single availability zone. And with 99.5% availability, it's great for secondary backups and on-premises data. Now we move on to the S3 Glacier family, which is great for low-cost data archiving. S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval provides millisecond read times for archives that need immediate access, such as medical images or news media assets. S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval provides 3 retrieval options: 1 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 hours, and 5 to 12 hours. And it's great for data that doesn't need to be accessed instantly. S3 Glacier Deep Archive is for data that you don't need to access very often. And read times for this storage class can be anywhere between 12 hours and 48 hours. S3 also has something called intelligent tiering, which will move objects between access tiers based on their usage. But this service does come with a small monitoring fee. In summary, S3 is a service by AWS which allows you to store objects in buckets, which you can think of as storing files in folders. S3 provides super high durability, in fact 11 nines of durability, and it has 6 access tiers, which you can choose between based on the data access, resiliency, cost requirements, and performance of your workloads. And that's S3 in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.